Entry 1 is gone. So there's a Deseret book who's moved over there. The shoe department Encore still has their grand opening sign, should be reopening. Shoe department used to be in the area that's no more, and the Deseret book used to be in the wing that's still standing. This is how they put the big scoopers to bed. They use those dumpsters as pillows for the bucket shovel things. They're looking at the back side of Entry 1. This is where the mall offices and employee break room and everything used to be. Okay, this is the southwest side, and they've closed the road to traffic. So they got the south parking lot entrance torn up. They're digging really deep over there. They've also got the other side of the street blocked off. There has always been a drainage problem right here. So maybe they're dealing with that. The other previous owners didn't. Because of the south entry road closure, parking, if you want to go to Hobby Lobby or the Buckle, you have to come in from the northwest side or the two east entries. The framing for that little store, even though the deconstruction crew has today off, the construction crew on this little store they're building, they're working today. At least one guy is.